Okay, so today we're going to talk about Indian head massage. I'm going to do a short 10-minute tutorial. The Indian head massage, the on-site massage, focuses on the head, the neck, the back and the arms or the upper body. The Indian head is lovely, it just focuses just on the head here, okay, and into the neck area. So we're going to start as always by asking if there's any medical conditions. No recent injuries or illnesses?
Nothing at all.
Okay, perfect. So I just want you to completely relax the body, okay? Let me know if the pressure is too much or if you would like more pressure, and then we can increase or decrease as necessary, okay? Okay, so Pam, just take a nice big deep breath in for me now and breathe out and breathe in energy into the body. As you breathe out, just feel the body completely relax. And a breath in. And a breath out. And relax. Just going to start by stroking down the back of the head, just to relax the body. And then we're going to comb through the hair. It's a nice sensation when you feel the fingernails on the scalp. Then the next thing we're going to do is to have the flat of the palm, literally just moving the flat of the palm over the hair. This is great for relieving pressure, tension in the neck area, in the head. And then repeat that on the other side, supporting the head at all times. And then combing through the hair. Now if you want to make this move more intensive, you simply change the flat of the hand for the fingers, and it helps to really stimulate that little bit more pressure. So again, supporting the head and then copying the movement, but with the fingers this time. Again, into the neck, up the back of the head, and repeat on the other side. And again, comb through. Now this is where the lovely relaxing part comes in. Just gently circle into that hair now. This is often the best bit about going to the hairdressers, having your hair washed. That lovely massage that always comes with it. And again, comb through. And this time what we're going to do is we're just going to press in quite tightly with the fingers, and we're just going to use one finger, and it just creates that extra pressure, and it helps the client go into that state of relaxation. This is also a really easy treatment to maybe treat your partner to at home. It doesn't have to be a client in a professional setting, lots of ladies would love to receive this as a gift from their partner and vice versa, I'm sure. Fantastic stress reliever for the end of a busy day. You can alternate fingers if your fingers start to get tired. And all the way up the back of the scalp. I'm using my thumbs here. I'm still working my fingers. And then again, the combing of the hair. It's a nice soothing move, but it also keeps the hair looking tidy as well, stops it getting too out of control, which is easily done with this treatment. Now the next thing we're going to do is vibrations move, so I'm just going to put the hands on the scalp and just gently press. Hold for a few seconds and release. Now we've worked the head, so we're just going to do some movements into the neck. So we just start off by a nice gentle stretch to the side. Stretch down on the forearm and pull away with the hand, so you have that lovely neck stretch. And repeat on the other side. And then make sure you grip really tightly on the back of the neck for support. So the right arm is on the back of the neck, the left is supporting the front of the head. I'd just like you to drop the weight of your head into my forward hand now. And all we're going to do now is to circle. Very, very slowly. The cervical vertebrae are extremely delicate. So this movement, the slower the better. If you feel a slight movement in the neck, that's perfectly normal. So often lactic acid can cause a lot of problems. That's those crystal-like forms. So when you hear that crunching, that's what it is. So nothing to worry about, so long as you're nice and gentle. Then I'm just squeezing the back of the neck with my right hand. Take the thumbs, slide them up the back of the neck, take a deep breath in for me, and a breath out, and gently shake the head, and push the thumbs up the neck. And then we're just going to finish with something to wake up the client, because she's probably quite sleepy now. This movement is called hacking. It's one of the percussion massage movements. Holding me down the back. Just be aware when you're working on a body. A smaller body, use less pressure generally, unless they ask for it, of course. Okay. Now all I'm doing is just putting the weight gently down on my forearms. This is a final way to stretch out the neck. Very gently. Take a deep breath in. And as she breathes out, I'm just putting my weight down onto my forearms, so just a stretch. I'm using my body weight here, so there's no exertion from me at all. And again, finish. a gentle massage. This is called effleurage. All the way down the head, the back. Now you can also include that hacking movement into the head if you wish. Just obviously be gentle. So we're going to finish now with 3 deep breaths. Deep breath in through the nose. As you breathe out through the mouth, just feel the body completely relax. This time deep breath in, filling the body with light and energy. Breathing out,